We'll guide you through how to use Google Docs on your laptop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Docs website by typing docs.google.com in the address bar. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. After signing in, you'll see the main Google Docs dashboard with a plus sign labeled blank to create a new document. Click on that to open a fresh document. Now, let's talk about some basic features. At the top, you can rename your document by clicking on the title that says Untitled Document. Type the new name and press Enter. This helps keep your files organized. On the toolbar, you'll find options to change the font, size, and style of your text. You can bold, italicize, or underline words by selecting the text and choosing the appropriate option. To insert images, go to the Insert menu, choose Image, and then select whether you want to upload from your computer or search the web. You can easily add bullet points or numbers by clicking on the list icons in the toolbar. To share your document, click the blue Share button in the top right corner. You can then enter email addresses or get a shareable link to send to others. Make sure to adjust permissions so others can view, comment, or edit your document as needed. Google Docs automatically saves your work as you go, so you don't need to worry about losing your progress. If you want to download your document, go to File, then Download, and choose your preferred format, like PDF or Microsoft Word. This is particularly useful if you need to send the document in a specific format. Using Google Docs is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it offers powerful tools for collaboration and document creation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.